That's right. It's stationery day.
It's Penguin Day. I'm hanging out with my favorite bird, my penguin.
That's right. It's Penguin Day. I'm hanging out with my favorite penguins. I'd like to give a shout out to my hairstylist since she did a great job. It's Hairstylist Day. Yeah. Oh, there she is.
It's Crayola Day.
You know what else it is? it's Manny Panty Day.
What are those?
These are old-fashioned telephones. That's right, it's telephone day.
What?
Ah, that's right. It's also noise appreciation day. I'm so excited today is the Red Hat Society Day, and I think my wife might be old enough to join the Red Hat people, and I have to be at the thrift store, and I found this cool hat, or at least they told me it was a hat. Hey, honey, I bought you a hat. You join the Red Hat people now. Oh, you know what else? It's in my DNA, because it's DNA Day. It's in my DNA, how that goes, to be a plumber. Hey, babe, guess what? It's Hug a Plumber Day.
You know, plumber.
What do you mean I'm no plumber? You already see my plumber's cracked.